So I've got Justin here with Justin's Garage Doors. He's local to Etchison in the Gaithersburg area. So if you want to support local, Montgomery County, this is your guy. I called him this morning. He showed up an hour later. He got my door fixed, got my company rolling again so I can get my client's truck out, because one of my bonehead is actually my #1 guy. I made a small mistake, didn't pull a truck in far enough, and the door came down. Mistakes happen, but people like Justin come out, they get it done, they get you operating and rolling smoothly again. That was a really bad pun I just made on garage door rollers. But Justin, thank you so much for coming out. I appreciate you, brother. And if you have a garage door issue, he's very reasonable, very responsive. He hates being on camera, so I think he might beat me up after this, but I just want to give you guys a big shout out. Thank you so much for helping us out, brother.
They closed the door on the ladder, so then both cables came off. Just had to put the cables back on and reconnect the motor in the right spot. So, pretty simple.
If you want your business to be featured in one of our Spotlight Local Small Business videos, be sure to drop a comment or refer Justin's Garage Door Repair and get featured in one of our videos.